Hello everyone and welcome to Team Developers channel. So today in this video we are going to fix a Wi-Fi icon missing problem in Windows 10. So first of all, open Start menu and go to Personalization option. After that, click on Taskbar. Then go to Notifications area. And enable network option. So if it's already enabled, then close this window and go back to another window. Now again go to notification area and select this option. Now find network settings and turn on. Now if you followed every single step, Wi-Fi icon appeared on your screen. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.